Considering a digital bank for your everyday finances in Denmark? Lunar is a popular choice, and getting started with a private account is completely digital. The whole application is done through their app, so your first step is to download the Lunar app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you open the app, you'll tap on the option to get your account now or apply now to start the application process. Lunar is a fully digital bank, which means there are a few key things you need to have ready before you begin. First, you must be over 15 years old, or over 18 for some account types. Next, you need a valid form of ID. This can be your passport, driver's license, or a national identity card. Have a clear photo of this document ready. Crucially, for a Danish account, you will need a valid MIT ID. This is your personal digital key for accessing many services in Denmark, including bank applications. You'll use this to confirm your identity during the process. Having your Danish CPR number is also very helpful. The application itself is a step-by-step guide within the app. You'll be asked a few questions about yourself, your citizenship, where you pay taxes, and how you plan to use the account. This helps Lunar comply with banking regulations. You'll also get to explore the different account packages Lunar offers, from the free basic account to their plus or unlimited options with extra features like travel insurance or metal cards. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle. Once you've filled everything out, you'll submit the application right there in the app, usually confirming with your MIT ID. Lunar will then review your information. The app will usually show you an estimated processing time, and they'll notify you directly in the app or by email once your account is approved. And that's it. Once approved, you can start using your account, get your digital card immediately, and set up your new Lunar account as your Nimkonto if you choose. Simple, digital, and efficient.